So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you how to turn off spell check on the Notes app. So if I just wrote this there, and let's just say you're writing, for example, and you spell a bunch of stuff wrong. So words is spelt wrong, it'll autocorrect. Auto, right, correct. It'll correct, right? It'll fix mistakes. It is what it is. If it's spelled incorrectly, it'll underline. You guys get the point. If you want to turn this off, go to the top left, press Edit, go down to where it says Spelling and Grammar, and then where these things are checked right here, so check spelling while typing, you can turn that off. Spelling and grammar, check grammar while spelling, correct spelling automatically. You can turn all of that off. So if I were to go ahead and spell this again, words auto correct, nothing's going to show up. It's turned off, and it's obviously wrong, but there's no way of figuring it out unless, of course, you notice it. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to turn off spell check on the Notes app. Hope this video helps.